Facts for prelims. GI tag for Kashmir saffron. The saffron cultivated in the Kashmir Valley has received geographical indication tag. It is long, thick, and has natural deep red color. Also, it has high aroma and is processed without any adding chemicals. The color of the saffron is unique due to the high quantity of crocin. It has a rich flavor because of saffronal, and the bitterness is due to the presence of the Kashmir saffron is only saffron in the world that is grown at an altitude of 1600 meters. The saffron available in Kashmir is of three types: Lacha saffron, Mogra saffron, and Gucci saffron. Kisan Sabha app, developed by CSIR Central Road Research Institute, CSIR CRRI, New Delhi, to connect farmers to supply chain and freight transportation management system. The portal acts as a single stop for every entity related to agriculture, be they a farmer who needs better place for the crops, or mandi dealer who wants to connect to more farmers, or truckers who invariably go empty from the mandis. What is Thikri Pehra? It is community policing practiced in Punjab and Haryana. The tradition made a comeback after more than 2 decades. Communities guarded their villages in the aftermath of terrorist movement, and when the infamous Kala Kacha gang gave local sleepless nights years ago. Trishur Puram. Known as the Festival of Festivals, Trishur Puram has a tradition of more than 200 years. This spectacular event that was started by Sakthan Thampuran, the Eastwhile ruler of Kochi, held on the Moolam asterism in the Malayalam month of Medam, that is April to May. Festival related events take place at the Vardhakunnathan temple situated in the heart of Trishur town and the adjoining Thekinkadu ground. The Puram festival mainly happens between two groups representing the geographical divisions of Paramikavu and Thiruvambadi. They will compete in their respective presentations of richly caparisoned elephants, traditional orchestra called Panchavadyam, the swift and rhythmic changing of brightly colored and sequined parasols called Kudamatom, and the dazzling fireworks in the early morning hours are the festival highlights. Why in news? For the first time since its inception, Trishur Puram will be observed with rituals within the temple premises with just a few participants. This was done in the wake of the lockdown to prevent the spread of COVID 19.